What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. In this video, I'm gonna show you an app where you can get paid basically to do nothing. And when I mean nothing, you're basically just keeping your location on your phone and you're getting paid for that mainly. Every now and then you'll get like some very easy surveys, and all the surveys are asking you is like, where were you on this day, at this time, things like that. And you just, answer the question and you keep it moving. So, the app right here, it's called Panel App. It'll be in the description for you to sign up. Click on it. And you see here, as soon as I click on it, my points are going up. And that's mainly because you get paid, like I said, to do nothing. You know what I'm saying? You're just basically keeping your location on. And, it'll ask you surveys like, okay, where were you Tuesday at 7:30 p.m.? And then it'll show you a list of things you were doing, or a list of places that you could be at. And you just click on it, and, it's very easy. I mean, none of the surveys you're going to disqualify for. All the surveys you will qualify, and you'll be able to complete them, and you get more points for doing that. So, in this video, I'm actually going to cash out. You see here, I have 10,251 points. I'm going to click on redeem now and show you some of the things you can get. Now, they have, when you first click on it, it'll show you all the prizes. It'll show you a lot of the sweepstakes. For 5 points, you can enter a $1 Amazon gift card sweepstakes, things like that. You know what I'm saying? So definitely, if you're interested in sweepstakes, definitely pay attention to it. But for me, I like to go into guaranteed rewards because I want my stuff like guaranteed. And so you'll see here all the things they have. You can get a $1 Amazon gift card for 2,000 points. $2 you can get 4,000 points, things like that. They don't have PayPal, but what they do have is a Visa gift card, Amazon, and they also have a Walmart gift card. So these are things you can choose from. The higher amount of points you get, the lower you will have to actually cash out with. So basically, you see here, 10,000 points, that'll give me $5 Visa gift card. And if I wait till $15, all I need is 20,000, 25, 30,000. So if you want to kind of, wait and let your balance, your points accumulate, that's fine. But I just want to cash out in this video to show you how all that goes. It's very easy to get points on this app because, like I said, if you just take your phone with you everywhere you go, you're going to let your points accumulate every day. And, with the surveys, you can make even more money. So I'm going to click on this $5 Visa gift card. You're going to send it to my email just like that. It costs 10,000. I'm going to get one. I have 251 points remaining. And so I just go down to claim reward. And it's that simple. It'll take 1 to 2 business days to get there. So usually it's about, 1 day, but yeah, actually it's 1 to 2 business weeks for delivery, but it's usually like 1 to 2 days. It really doesn't take that long. They just tell you that just in case they have something on there and it might take a long time. So very easy to cash out with, very easy to use. It's not a lot to do on this app besides just, open it and let your points accumulate. And, you just basically, do the small surveys. And see here, my balance goes back to 251. And I'm going to show you my activity to show you the points that I'm getting every day by doing this. You see here, every day, just points continue to add up. Very, very easy to use. I mean, you don't have to really do anything. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you can do the surveys, but you don't have to. They're easy surveys. I mean, it's more money in the surveys as well. But you see here, everyday points. You know what I'm saying? 33, 61, 66, 33. Every day I'm getting points. Very easy to use. I'm getting paid to do nothing. So definitely sign up for this app. Put it on your phone and just, let your points continue to pile up. All right. So just a quick video just showing you Panel App. Just a little cash out video. Quick $5. Definitely sign up. Definitely use this app. You don't really have to do anything with it. Like I said, you're getting paid to do nothing, and add it on your phone. And just another way for you to make money, another money making opportunity. You want to have as many as possible, especially since they're all free. All you got to do is download it from the link in the description. All right. So remember, every penny counts.